shapes, size, and colors and can be found almost anywhere. Frogs are predators and eat many kinds of insects as well as invertebrates like slugs, snails, and worms. Although we often see them on land, frogs are most at home in the water, and the reason for that is in their biology. Frogs are amphibians or small vertebrates that rely on a wet environment to survive. Unlike fish, which must stay in the water to breathe, amphibians have lungs and can collect their oxygen from the air, but they do it in a peculiar way. Frogs can breathe through their skin as long as their thin, delicate skin stays moist. Oxygen from the air can pass directly through it into their body stream. If necessary, they can breathe through their nose and mouth. But compared to us, their lungs are poorly developed and breathing this way is just not efficient. If a frog gets too dry, it can die from lack of oxygen. This special skin allows frogs to breathe underwater as well. Frogs can stay underwater for hours at a time under normal conditions. Their large eyes are very sensitive to movement and help them locate their prey. Once spotted, its meal has little chance to escape. In less than a second, the frog's long, sticky tongue flicks out of its mouth, sticks to its prey, and rolls back into the frog's mouth. This video sponsored by BuyMote mobile app.